What's good, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how you can connect an SMM panel to your WordPress website. So for that, we're going to need the Panel Helper plugin, and I'll leave the link in the description. I'm on the premium version right now, but you can also get the free version. And everything that I'm going to show you right now also works on the free version. So first we have the dashboard here, and we're going to start by heading to servers. Then you can add a server, and for this you'll go to your SMM panel and let's wait till this loads. And you can get the API URL from here, and the API key you can get from your account settings. You'll definitely need that, so head there. I already did this, so you can just paste your link here and then enter the API key and click on submit. And then you'll see your information here along with the balance on your account. And you know that it works if the balance appears. So now we'll go to services, add a new service. For this I'm going to use a service which I've already used before. So I'll go to my order history. And the most important thing for this is just the ID. If you get the ID wrong, it probably won't work. And for the rest you can it's just for you. We'll type in followers, max order, we'll type in 1,000, minimum order 10. And for the price, it's always good to take the exact price that you have, that you find in the services, but the plugin will update it automatically if it changes. So we'll just put it to 0.1 for now, and then select the server that it's on and click on submit. Okay, so now you can see I already had it added before, but this is the new one that I added. 374 in followers. So now we're going to head to WooCommerce or to products. I'm going to click on add new. Now we're going to call this new followers test for YouTube. And then be sure to change it to variable product. Okay, don't miss that step because then you can't set the quantity. And for this, we're going to use an attribute as the quantity, call it quantity. And we're just going to do 10 and 20 for this example. And keep these two checked. And you can also click on this, limit purchase to 1 item per order, because then it won't show the extra quantity. We'll just have this as a quantity. Now you can go to variations and click on generate variations. You can also do it manually, but this will work faster. And then set a price for each. We're just going to set both of them to 0 for now, because this is just going to be a test order. Click on save changes, and then go to Panel Helper, enable it, and select the server. And then we'll take the followers which we just had. Now this is where you can add the exact qualification that you want, or the exact specifier that you want to appear on the product page later. So we're just going to do link, or you can type in Instagram page link, for example. We'll do that, and you can click on publish. Okay, so now we'll look at the product, and as you can see it says Instagram page link like we just entered. I'm going to do 20 quantity and type in test, add it to cart. Proceed to checkout and fill in your information. Since I'm on a local environment, that's just going to be my test information. Going to place the order. Okay, now the order was sent, the test field test. Now we can check if it arrived by reloading. As you can see, it did in fact arrive. And now we can head back to our plugin and see how the order is going. So go back to orders. As you can see, it says it's on pending. Now this will reload within a couple of minutes once the order starts processing. It can take a while. And then it eventually will either go to canceled or completed. And then we can also see the profit here once it sets the API price. Because as I said earlier, the API price will be set manually. Automatically. by the server once this order starts processing. If your order does go to canceled, or we can see it here in the dashboard, you'll see the canceled orders, and then you can just click on the WooCommerce order. You can see the link that was entered, and then either email the customer or maybe just retry the order, and that will resolve most of your problems, because I know how annoying it can be when you don't actually know which of them were canceled, and then you have to go through the entire list. Sometimes it doesn't update, and it can be a real headache. So this really helped me out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, the link is in the description if you want to get the free version, or if you want to buy the premium version. The premium version is actually 45 cents per order, which is really cheap in my opinion, because most of the orders I had were at least $10. So it's about around as cheap as the Stripe processing fees, and that for all of these settings is really a no-brainer, which is why I got the premium version. So don't forget to check in the description. Also, don't forget to like, and I'll see you in the next video.